FAU's cowbell guy is a whole vibe. The real star of the Final Four is FAU's cowbell guy. This is FAU band member Noah Goins' moment in social media fame.
Did you ever think, my shades, the cowbell, it was going to catch on social media like it did?
No, I was just playing. I was just doing my thing.
As the Owls were battling in their Final Four game, Goins made the big time with a camera close-up. It all jumped off from there.
When you started seeing the social media, the tweets, the TikTok rolling in, what are you thinking?
I was like, that's me. That's me right there. There it is. And
You took a double take.
Yeah, I was double take, what?
Of course, as this tweet mentioned, a comparison to the famous Saturday Night Live cowbell skit.
When someone comes up to you and says, I've got a fever, you know what they mean now.
Yes.
The only prescription
is more cowbell.
is more cowbell.
Yes.
Quite the ride for Goins, a junior at FAU.
All the fame and no fortune coming in right now.
It's back to class after weeks on the road and back again with the 29-member band playing at every Owls tournament game.
Everyone's still excited. Of course, tough loss, but everyone's still excited that we came this far.
Band buddy Franklin Ticas Castellon sums it up.
And we're back to reality, and it just feels like I just went through a dream for the past month, and I'm standing next to a celebrity.
Now they're both laughing it up with the Goins cowbell fame and nicknames.
Oh, they're flying. They're flying around.
Everywhere. It's just a matter of which one sticks, really. People have just been calling him
FAU cowbell guy, cowbell king.
the Cowbell King. Yeah, I saw that. The
Yeah,
Cowbell Kid. I've seen that.
Cowbell Kid?
Yeah.
I didn't see that one yet.
No, there's been a lot.
The basketball team brings back just about everybody next season, and the cowbell's coming back as well.
Do you think the cowbell could be the recipe for success for next season as well?
Of course. I definitely think this is going to be a new tradition for us, too.